Dahil Year of the Rabbit this 2023, let's go treat our skin the healthy way. By AllWhite SkinBlend Philippines and Angel's Flow Alcohol. O diba, may pa-skincare? Sheesh! I'm Drinking Nose and welcome to my vlog. 1, 2, 3, itcha! O diba, sagad ba? Presenting Carrot Herbal Lightening Soap. Buy one and get the second at 50% off. Smells good, feel good with their natural carrot soap. By yours truly, AllWhite SkinBlend Philippines. Kag may arapan sila, Kojic Gluta Soap for that powerful combination of glutathione and kojic acid that peels off dead skin cells and moisturizes the skin. Add cart na sa AllWhite SkinBlend Philippines. And sanitize with Angel's Flow Alcohol, a 70% solution of antiseptic disinfectant with herbs and flower scent. Spray away those germs and desanitize every day. Dax baka mo, niyara sila 500 ml with bomb manufactured by CNH Cosmetics Industry. For its formulation, each 100 ml contains 70 ml ethyl alcohol and moisturizer. Must-try dishwashing liquid by Bubble Queen Home Factory Depot para sa mabula, malambot, mabango at tanggal ng germs. For that everyday bubble power cleaning formula. Madamo ginasalamat sa AllWhite SkinBlend Philippines, Angel's Flow Alcohol, kag sa Bubble Queen Home Factory Depot. Thank you for watching. Please do like, follow all my social media platforms and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. See you again for my next brand, travel, and food vlogs here in City Beloved, Iloilo City. Bye!